This is the Omazeballs K9 Deluxe Crystal Ball Lens package. I received this from the Amazon Blind Voice Review program to review for free. They have not paid me for my review, and the editorial decisions I make are my own. So in the package, we have a carrying case and the box, which has various instructions and stickers, a cleaning cloth, and the optical ball itself. So this is just a giant sphere of optical quality glass, and it is a photography prop. So essentially, you can have somebody hold this and take a picture with it, or place it on one of the stands and take a picture through it to get a reversed or spherical view of some object. The package includes two stands. You have this rubber ring stand and a glass stand there, as well as the storage bag. Like so. So the storage bag is nice. You can kind of put the two stands in there and tighten it up and they probably won't come out. It feels to me like they really could have had like a pouch on the side for the stands, just to make it easier to not have everything all in the same bag. Or you can store it in the box it came with. It has a little magnetic clasp. The foam on the bottom is pretty thin, so you don't want to drop it in there. It'll thunk pretty hard. There's not a lot of cushioning in the bottom. You want to kind of roll it in. Once it's in there, it's fine, but there's just a very thin layer of foam between the bottom of the box and the ball. Page 1 of the instructions manual tells you, hey, fire warning, don't expose to direct sunlight, because if you do, it will magnify it to a point that can burn. With a warning like that, you really have to try it out. So it's no worse than any other magnifying glass. You can get an upside down view of any scene. You can include it as part of a still life. So this guy can be a focal point of a photograph. I recommend you go to some of their social media sites and take a look at some of the photos they show there. Could also be a good prop for a crystal ball or Halloween, although it's a little small for that. I'm wearing my white gloves because I'm deathly afraid of getting fingerprints on this guy. They include a giant cleaning cloth, but I am sure as soon as you touch this thing, it's going to just get fingerprints all over it, and you're basically going to have to clean it off and hand it to someone to hold, and basically place it in their fingers and they never move it, just so you get a clear optical surface for this thing to work well. So if you are looking for an interesting focal point for photography, this is kind of a neat reflective crystal ball.